Staking ALGO is simple on Folks. When you're on Folks Finance's app, make your way to the stake page and connect your wallet. Input the amount of ALGO you'd like to stake. Then click Stake and sign with your wallet. In a few seconds, you'll get xALGO, the primary liquid staking token for ALGO. xALGO is a yield-bearing asset, meaning it will rise in value over time in relation to ALGO. You can see the current exchange ratio on the stake page. You can multiply your exposure to xALGO and Algorand staking rewards up to 4 times larger with UltraStake. Turn on UltraStake, select your multiplier, and pick stable or variable APY. Click UltraStake again and sign with your wallet. You can also stake or unstake ALGO on the same page. To unstake, click the Unstake tab and input the desired amount. Click Unstake again and sign with your wallet. You can unstake an UltraSwap position as well, or detach it, which turns it into a manageable Folks loan position.